Hello parents, this is a video to show you how to log into your Wonders Connect account if you're in grades K through 5 if we have a flexible learning day online. When you go to https://connect-ed.mcgraw-hill.com/school/1G4E. When you go there, it will take you to this website. The website will be posted on the coronavirus website that we have for all of you to go to. So you can just click on that link and go to this page. When you're on this page, you're going to click your teacher's name. When you click your teacher's name, you will find your name. From there, you will click your name and type in your password. Once you type in your password, you will click Login. From there, you will click Launch. When you are there, you will go to a to-do list. On your to-do list, it'll tell you assignments to do, my work, or tests. It'll show you exactly what you need to do. When you go to my tests, you got to make sure that you turn in your assignments if they are there. Whenever you want to go back, you just click the Wonders icon in the corner. If you want to know what your words are for the week, they will be on the Words to Know tab. You can review all your words. If you are told to go to a game, all of the games are on the site that you can go to. Just click the game that your teacher told you to go and play on. For reading, all of the books that you will be assigned for the week will be on the website. Go to the book that your teacher asked you to go to. All of them will be here, including leveled readers and decodable readers. When you click on your book, it'll take you to a new site and it will have the pages you need to read. Once you complete that, complete any other sheets your teacher asks you. If you want to know what your other words are, there's your lesson checks to make sure you understand. That's when you click School to Home so your parents can see what you're working on. It even has your spelling list if you want. When you're done, you click Log Out in the upper right-hand corner. If you have any questions, please contact your teacher.